Hi, I'm Quinn, an account manager here at Fulcrum, and today I'm going to be talking about the Backlog report. The Backlog report can be found under the Scheduling dropdown in your left-hand navigation bar and is a powerful decision-making tool that can be used to manage bottlenecks in your production. By pulling together capacity data from your shift setup and equipment, alongside production data from live orders in the system, you're able to see when different departments on your shop floor may be overscheduled, ultimately causing order delays and unhappy customers. This tool can be used to identify areas in your shop where you can add or pull resources from if there is capacity available in order to solve a bottleneck. This is an overview of each department with both the number of labor hours you've allotted as well as hours available on equipment that can be run unattended. By looking out into the future of your backlog, you're able to see where jobs are currently scheduled to be late and make adjustments such as rearranging operators on the shop floor to support in different departments that are backed up, adding overtime shifts, or knowing when to renegotiate due dates with your customers. Here you can see that the assembly department is using 100% of its capacity and 100% of those jobs are late as a result. We can also see that the laser department has open availability around the same time frame. By moving labor hours from laser, for example, to assembly, you're able to solve or reduce the bottleneck and get more jobs done on time. By drilling down into a specific department, you're able to see how many hours are scheduled to each piece of equipment and how many of those hours are attributed to on-time and late jobs, as well as how many hours are available to be scheduled. In some cases, every department may be backlogged and you don't have any resources to redistribute. You've simply oversubscribed the shop. This gives you that information immediately so you can go and have proactive customer conversations about moving out due dates. By using this tool to manage your production, you're able to save costs on overtime because you can see where to shift people around on your shop. You can also increase overall throughput, hit your on-time delivery goals, and maintain strong and long-lasting relationships with your customers.